was filming your crotch the entire time, I lied. Hi guys.
Yeah, we are finally in Chicago.
Finally, the flight was so comfortable. Come on, man.
This was so cute. Okay, we just took a shower and now we're going for some food. It's gonna be awesome, I guess.
Some steak. I don't even eat a lot of meat, but this guy does. And we're in America, so I'm just gonna find burger or, oh god, Evelov. And the hotel lobby is already quite beautiful. I'm gonna show you a round shot, but with the front cam, of course. So as you can see, the atmosphere in the hotel is still quite calm, apart from the little dwarf dancing in front of me. But I'm sure as soon as the furries arrive, it will change, like, a lot. So how's your first evening in America? Chicken! First morning in Chicago, and I forgot that I didn't give you a room tour, which is behind me. But first, look at that. It snowed. So it's definitely gonna be a winterish convention. But for now, let me show you the room. Okay, so this is like the window part. Then we have the desk with clothes already lying around. TV, my bed, which looks like a huge mess. Second bed, picture of airplane over there, so I don't miss my job. Then we have a Mexican man, half naked, in our bathroom. Hey guys. Be more Mexican. Hola. Perfect. This is our shower, which is beautiful. It's not like low pressure, it actually has pressure. Yes. We're gonna cut in a video of you there, like standing in there showering like Jesus. I hope you're afraid of that. And here we have the complimentary stuff like a bathing robe and clippers. Only one in a room for two. That's weird. Oh shit, there's a mirror. So yeah, it's pretty much our room. Today we actually go in the outlet nearby to go shopping because the clothes are a lot cheaper than in Switzerland. And in the evening the first of our friends will arrive. And we're probably gonna eat with them, have some fun with them, and looking forward to that. Turn around. Yeah.
The bunny booty.
It's bunny booty.
It's nice.
We're having a total shopping spree over here.
Yeah, I'm buying his girl today, I guess.
What?
Kinda.
You're stealing my girl with the new jeans? Go undress, bitch. Okay, we just were in the Disney store, as you can hear and see. I bought for my I bought for my brother, which will get a baby. Well, basically his girlfriend is getting a baby, not him. I bought a few baby stuffs. So yeah.
Snowflakes, yeah,
We're walking back from our shopping spree. It's a fucking blizzard.
Yeah, well.
Oh god, but we bought so much, we're gonna show you later. The moment when your body turns into part of the snowy landscape. found a new plushie in the lobby, as you can see. I call it Harold, and I want to take it home. But the problem is there's actually an entire being attached to it.
It's adorable. So I woke up 3 hours later with a massive headache, like all over.
That's what I thought. So many of them. Going back to the room, but I think I'm followed.
When was it?
What? Supposed to be British.
Was me. Not me.
He's Dutch.
I'm Dutch.
Dutch.
British.
Hello, British. I'm Dad. Cutie pies. Okay, you remember when I was talking about the serious atmosphere in the hotel?
Yeah.
It's gone. It's gone.
I know it's gone.
It's because of this guy. He's blue. How do you?
It's the best color.
He's an alcoholismist. Don't let children be enclosed. No shit.
Do you really want to do this now, son?
Or it doesn't. I just like you flopping